This is our state senator, Jesse Hamilton. Hamilton was elected as a Democrat, but after receiving huge campaign donations from Republican special interests and all kinds of perks from Senate Republicans, Hamilton voted to put Republicans in charge of the Senate. By siding with the Republicans, he blocked progress on the most crucial issues for our district: housing stability, Medicare for all, and protecting our immigrant families. Now that it's an election year, Hamilton says he's flipping back to be a Democrat again. But can we trust him, or is he just full of hot air? In our district, we have the power to shut down Jesse Hamilton and all of the fake Democrats in New York. On Thursday, September 13th, vote for a real Democrat for state Senate. Vote Zellner Myrie.